Okay, let's start the discussion. Okay, joke lang. Ayun na, magdadrama na ako. Ano yung mga sa'yo?
Ano pala?
I know that we're not so close. I really appreciate how you treat me. And I'm happy that you accept the way I treat you. Even though I'm not your student. But I'm so lucky to have four beautiful teachers. Okay, one lang.
Maganda rin ako!
Isa lang, ako lang.
Ako din!
Kailangan
Kaya matabot siya isa. Teka, ako lang. Ako'y gumawa niyan eh.
Wait, back to,
Ano?
student teacher that for almost 1 month, 2 months, treat me like a friend, student, friend. Bisaya! Diyos ko yung taong gab ng gab sa akin every time na pumupunta ako ng department. Gab. I hope that you will appreciate this simple.
Okay. Kaya yun.
I know it's very simple, but there's a lot of memories that you will miss in the future. Mamimiss ko yung taong lagi nagpapasaya sa akin.
Eh,
I love you. Gab. Gab. Gab.